Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need Android 10 or later. That's the only OS-level path for internal audio. Once confirmed, install a recorder that declares audio playback capture support. Immediately open Settings apps and grant storage and microphone permissions. Even though you want internal audio, the recorder still requests these. Make sure the recorder targets the correct API level. Start the app now. Do not waste time. Tap its screen record action to begin the system prompt flow that enables internal audio capture for you. Once done with permissions, open the recorder and select screen recording as the source. Then explicitly choose internal audio. Many apps label it internal or system audio. When Android shows the media projection consent dialog, accept it. That authorizes audio playback capture for the recorder. Make sure to set audio quality. 48 kHz is a solid choice, and increase bitrate if you need clearer results. Also, disable any mix with mic toggle unless you want voiceover. Now run a short test clip to verify levels. You're almost done. Record a short 10 to 15 second sample and play it back to confirm internal audio is present. If you hear nothing, stop, reboot the device, reopen the recorder, and reauthorize the projection dialog. Permissions often need a fresh start. If that still fails, switch to a different recorder that explicitly supports audio playback capture. Remember, DRM or protected apps can block internal capture, so test with non-protected audio sources first. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.